Hello guys and girls, so going to open up another packet for you. So this contains J360 degree turntable quick buckle with screw for GoPro Hero 5 Black. So let me open it first. I think I have to, the bill is attached here with, so let me. So the total cost is rupees 289 in Indian currency, which is equivalent to $4.10 US. Quality is quite good. This is 360 degree turntable quick buckle with screw for GoPro Hero 5 Black. So I will be fitting this item in my GoPro camera when I need it. Thank you for watching. So stay tuned, keep watching. So I will be seeing you in my next video. Thank you for watching.